Now there as well, a little bit of an update in the computer. I did a video on this a while ago when I had my memory flaking out. Well, actually I did some cleaning. I took one of the sticks out. Even though the socket and the memory sticks were spotless, I still got some bloody freeze ups and lockups, but I took them out again and cleaned the connectors up with a tissue, a dry tissue, and sure enough, no more lockups. This thing's working quite fine now. I've also put them, yeah, I did try it in both sets of slots, and yeah, sure enough, the slightest bit of dust I could not even see must have been causing all those issues. Yeah, gotta give it another clean. I wonder if I actually blew some dust into those sockets when I last cleaned this thing out with compressed air. That may have contributed, but yeah, she's working quite well now. Quite a good computer. Okay, viewers, I'm going to try and put a 1 kilo ohm resistor in this thing. Like some suggested it may help to, sorry, not with this thing, I get the circuit out of here, put this back together, and put the 1 kilo ohm resistor in that little circuit that tricks it into thinking it's got a battery to actually charge. That should mimic the halfway tap, which I think what this is. That will need something way below 100 ohms apparently to get that charger to work. Let's see how this works. See if I can try and make it into a power supply at least for some use. I'll put this reverse to the two, which is this one. This is originally the second-hand battery when we first got the dual. This is a reverse to the two I got. So let's open this up and find out what this actually goes to in order to reassemble and modify this. It's a temperature cutout there. It goes through to there, taps onto there, and goes to that middle terminal. So if I rip that out and put that, solder that inside the charger itself, I don't know if that'll, that should do. Yeah, that'll work. And just use these two. Yeah, we'll see how that works. Okay, if I solder that there, in series with that, and internally connect to here. Just put it between here and here, and it should mimic it. I've also been getting lots of hangout requests on Google Plus from Sebastian Nutter, Pete Ritchie and whatnot. The only problem is they're on Sunday nights or during the week when I'm bloody tired and getting home from work. I have to start work early and go to bed in the morning, and by the time I get an invite, I'll check my emails the next day, and yeah, turns out I get an invite that bloody later on that night, previous night. So I just have like a bloody time for hangouts because due to work commitments. So besides, I haven't even got haven't got a decent spot to sit my computer. I'd love to have a computer in here and do a hangout in here. That way I'm by myself. Won't have anyone to get who doesn't want to be seen getting in the way, so to speak. So I'll need a that's something I should do. Probably get a similar computer to what I've got. Find one somewhere or build one. Put it just in here just for hangouts and YouTube video uploads. That'd be good. But other than that, I just have not got a. Haven't got time at the moment, unfortunately. Anyway, let's solder this thing and see how it goes. Yeah, it should still work on those batteries. The other Black & Decker batteries are 18 volts as well, so let's see if this works. Give it a test. Power on. No, I see it working. Nothing getting warm. The LED should come on when the red LED should come on when it's charging, and it isn't. There we go. Yeah, it works. Bad connection. It works quite well. Poorly heat shrunk neutral connection. Just got to watch yourself there. And play on my mains voltages, always safety first. Oh, I think this is going to put this. I'll put it, tape that up, put it to the west somewhere. It's not going to shorten anything. Put this back together. Oh, actually, then I'll run those wires out of there to here and pull the circuit out of that and just put it straight to those wires, straight to the battery, instead of doing it the rough way. There we are. Works. Okay, it's all back together. That's quite, yeah, it worked out quite well. Charges that battery with this charger that's been hacked. Sweet. Let's get the multimeter out. This won't do anything unless you plug a battery into it, just top the charger, so. Oh, let's get the multimeter out, do some checks. It does, on a no load, I've got 26.76 volts DC. Not charging. Yeah, lost connection there. Not bad, got 27 volts there, no load. And I see how I charge the battery up. Should have. It was a bit low, I had about 19 or something in it. No, this is different. Hang on, I got the wrong battery here. The low battery, I don't know what the lower one is. The lower one had 14 point something. What's this one you got? Let's turn the multimeter on first. That helps. Hey, look, it's fully charged even more. It works. Had 19 point something, it's got 21 point something. The other one was 21.75, and this one's 21.8. So, charges these batteries quite well. A lot better than the other original Black & Decker one did. Sweet. Let's get a hot glue this wire in place. I kind of misdid the knot and forgot to cut the little terminal holder out when I put this back together. It's hitting the wire, so we'll hot glue that in there, and that'll stop the wire from getting broken. I've got a good charger for these batteries now from a ZVS. Hot glue in there, supporting all the wiring. Looks a bit rough, but I'm happy with that. It all works. Now I've got a proper charger for these ZVS batteries. Work quite well. Happy with that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Let's see how much his power is using. Yeah, moving slowly. Anyway, thanks for watching.